In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link payment on Squarespace step by step. Let's begin with the basics. First, head over to the Squarespace website. This is where we'll start the payment setup process. Once there, click the Log In button at the top right. Squarespace offers the option to sign in using Google, which is helpful if you're juggling multiple accounts. Choose your account and continue. Once you're logged in, go to your Squarespace dashboard and access your website's backend. Now it's time to enable online payments on Squarespace. In the top left corner, use the search bar and type Payment. This helps you quickly navigate to the Squarespace Payment Setup section. From the search results, click on Payments. This page shows all the available payment gateway options for your store. To connect a payment method to Squarespace, choose what fits your business. Stripe is a popular choice for most online sellers. To connect Stripe to Squarespace, click on the option and follow the redirect to Stripe's login page. If you already have a Stripe account, sign in. If not, you can create one easily. Stripe will ask for business and bank info. This is needed to accept credit card payments on Squarespace. Once you've entered everything and passed verification, your Squarespace site will be connected to Stripe, ready to process e-commerce payments. Before finishing, it's a good idea to review your payment settings and understand how to manage transactions, view reports, or troubleshoot issues. And that's it! You now know how to link payment on Squarespace and fully integrate your online store with a payment provider. Whether you're selling products, services, or taking donations, you're all set to receive payments securely. Thanks for watching. And if this Squarespace payment tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.